Hey everyone! Today we're introducing our brand new front bumper lip. It comes highly recommended if you're looking to upgrade the look of your car. Installing it is super straightforward. First, line up the holes and screw it on. Do the same for the other side. Then, clean up your front bumper and remove the 4 screws underneath. Peel off the tape on the front lip, line it up in the middle of the bumper, and press it down firmly to stick it in place. Next, use the screws that came with the product to secure it, and don't forget the small screws, and that's it. We're all done. This is really beginner-friendly. Happy driving!